Welcome back everyone. You may be having an issue with your MacBook where for some reason the touch bar just isn't working. Now this happens to me all the time, and the main reason to fix this is to first of all actually try a different desktop page. So you can try different desktop applications, so you can try different apps and see if that fixes it. But sometimes if you're able to navigate to a whole different desktop on your front, MacBook, this may end up fixing it for you. Now if it doesn't, the thing that fixes it for me pretty much every single time is to restart the MacBook. I know it's very, very annoying, but if the touch bar becomes unresponsive and it's just not working at all, the best thing you can do is to restart that MacBook. So you can either hold down that power button if you have the ability to, and once you're done holding down that power button, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just reboot it back up. So you want to hold down that power button again until it reboots itself, and at that point, you should be able to, for the most part, still use your touch bar and it should still be fully functional. Now let's say that doesn't work, but your computer is still working, but the touch bar still isn't functional. Well, at that point, I would recommend going and updating your MacBook. So to do this, what you want to do, you want to go and click on the Apple icon on the top left corner, and you want to go and click on About This Mac. When you do that, you'll see a little software update panel, little button right there. You just want to go and click on software update, and you want to see if there's an update available for your computer. A majority of the time, there should be an update available, and all you have to do is go ahead and update to that specific version of software. And then once it's updated and downloaded and all that stuff, and after it's installed, you want to see if that MacBook is still continuing having touch bar problems. If it isn't, then you're pretty much set. If it is still having touch bar problems, then the main thing you want to do at this point is to pretty much go ahead and try contacting Apple and try seeing if you ever dropped your MacBook recently. If for some reason your MacBook was being weird, maybe it was overheating a lot and there was just some random issue with your MacBook, or you spilled water on it. After you're done thinking about that for like a second and you actually remember, oh yeah, I did drop water on it one time, you may have to end up bringing it into Apple and have them repair it. It's not a crazy big repair, it does cost a little bit of money, but if your MacBook touch bar still isn't working, that's really the only other thing you can do besides constantly restarting your computer, deleting apps maybe that could be interfering with your touch bar. But a simple restart for me usually fixes it, so that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.